Yo man, usually we know about a couple days or even a couple hours before the shock drop, but Nike did something totally different today, bro. They told all the employees, they told everybody to be leaking information. You better not say nothing. And we just now find about a shock drop on these Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues, and we literally have about 7 minutes before they do shock drop, and I'm just here before it happens. You guys know I love these Legend Blue guys, the Columbias, whatever you do want to call them. One of my favorite 11s of all time, and better yet, one of my favorite sneakers of all time. You guys know I need that double up. We do have a pair right here, but this is a size 10. I need that 9.5, man. So your boy is on here. This shock drop is loaded on the Nike SNKRS app. It's just so crazy. Like I said, we usually know all the way. We know well in advance to let you guys know. And I'm just here to say, bruh, I'll let y'all down, bro. Usually we know, but we ain't hear no solid date for this Legend Blue shock drop, and they just brought it upon us on this Travis Scott date, and I just feel like that's why, you know what I'm saying? Everybody mad and salty. They only dropped, you know, a limited. It was very, very limited for the Travis Scott today. And they say, you know what? How about we just do this shock drop today on the Legend Blue 11s? I don't remember ever a shock drop happening at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so I feel like it's literally one of those last minute things Nike ended up doing. But like I said, we have more to talk about. I'm gonna come right back after I enter for this shock drop on the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues, and hopefully I got some good luck. Hopefully you guys got some good news for me down below in the comment section. But let me know if you was hip, let me know if you was asleep, because again, we have never heard of a 5 p.m. shock drop on a Tuesday afternoon, bro. What are we doing, bro? Like, this is something that we've never heard before. But this is the true meaning of a shock drop. This is what y'all want, right? Y'all don't want us to let y'all know about the shock drop information. Y'all want the actual shock drops. So here y'all go today. You didn't see any videos about it. I did talk about it a little bit ago last week, saying that we should see a shock drop soon. We just didn't hear a date. We didn't hear a time. And here we are officially. This is like the first shock drop in a while. But I guess you can't count the Wu-Tang dunks because nobody knew about that shock drop happening. And yeah, it happened like at midnight. So we got a midnight shock drop, and then we got a 5 p.m. on the Tuesday shock drop, the same day that they dropped a limited quantity in the Travis Scotts. But again, if you guys new here to the channel, hit that notification bell, subscribe right now so you don't miss out on any content, because again, usually I know this information well in advance, at least a couple hours. I would have had a video up. I just didn't hear nothing about it until 20 minutes ago when I'm on my Discord. They're like, yo, shock drop happening in 30 minutes. I said, what in the world going on? You know what I'm saying? But again, hopefully I do see some good news down below in the comment section. But I already know there are going to be way more comments of people saying they did not hear about it, because y'all know how the notifications go with the SNKRS app. They not very, it's not responsive. Like, they might send it out to everybody, all the users, but sometimes you get like 30 minutes late. Sometimes you get it 5 minutes late. It just all depends on, I guess, your service, or I don't know. Sometimes people don't be forgetting to, you know, update their app. Sometimes they got the notifications turned off. There's just a whole bunch of slew of things that could have happened. But again, we have 3 minutes left until the shock drop happens. I'm gonna come right back here and let you guys know what happened. You guys know I need another pair of the Legend Blue 11, guys. I need a double up. So I'm gonna hit on this shock drop, and then on a release date, of course, do a pickup vlog, chop it with you guys, see how the release date went, because this is my last cop. Well, I might be copping the Travis Scott joints because them joints is clean. I just want to pay $500, but this should be one of my last cops of the year. I'll be right back. Let you guys know what happened on this shock drop, and good luck. And let me know if you did get a dub or L down below in the comment section, man. All right, guys, so the shock drop is officially live. I'm about to go ahead and enter for these things. Let's see what happens. And I think we should be good. There is a lot of pairs of 11s. It is every single year, no matter what 11 it is. And I'm pretty sure they're going to flood it with these Air Jordan 11. So let's go ahead and enter right now, size 9.5. We're going to cross our fingers for good luck. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, Nike bless your boy, because they gave me a huge L this morning on Travis Scott. But you guys already know, man, you're in line, removing bots, reviewing submissions, verifying submissions, checking availability. Let's see what's going on, bro. Your boy need that 9.5. I need them. This is one of my most anticipated pickups of the year, bro. Definitely gonna be in my top 5. I'm gonna let you guys know that. I'm gonna let y'all know that right now, bro. Definitely a top 5 release for me, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot more people out there that is in the same boat. It's a lot of people in the same boat, but again, I'm gonna come right back as soon as I get the notification. As soon as I see my bank get charged, I already know I am good to go, man. But let me give you guys a quick 360 over these Legend Blues, man. Hopefully, me having these in hand give your boy some good luck. But again, this is like a video from the past. Like, you guys already know if you got a W or not. So I'm just talking right now, give you guys some content. But let me know, bro, how your Travis Scott day went, along with this shot drop, bro. Nike's on some different type of timing lately, bro. When have we seen this? This is crazy. I actually gotta take my hats off to Jordan Brand, because this is like the first shot drop that done got me surprised in a very, very long time, man. Hey, hold on, bro. Hold on. I think I got that good news. You know what I'm saying? I got charged. Hold on. Yes, sir. Your boy got that dub, man. I needed that 9.5. And the thing that kind of caught me by surprise was the retail tag, bro. I seen the charge said 250. Bro, 250 bones for the Legend Blue 11s. Again, super, super excited to have my pair. It's locked down. It's set in stone. I ain't gotta worry, bro. So shouts out to Nike for that dub. And I did see a couple different live streams. I was on Jada SNKRS live. I was on the homie He Got Kicks live. I was even on Unbreakable live. There was a lot of people taking dubs, and it was seldom in the L. You know what I'm saying? I think a lot of people were saying they don't even really want them. But I'm telling y'all, they are flooding the pairs for the Legend Blues. But I want you guys to know this, right? We know 11 sometimes get overproduced. There are a lot of pairs. You see them sitting for about a week or two. But just know this, man. When is the next time we're going to see the Legend Blue 11s? If you do have a pair back from 2014, just compare them to this crispy 2024 pair. I ain't trying to make you buy nothing, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, in my perspective, my point of view, I had to get them, bro. I got the Legend Blue 11 lows. Got them right here, and he's only a couple years old. Not a big 11 low guy. But when it comes to the highs, you already know, man, I had to do it, man. So again, you guys see, man, huge dub on the Nike SNKRS app, bro. Super, super excited. You guys know from the initial unboxing, the early look, I told y'all, man, super excited just even having these in hand. I'm glad Jordan Brand brought them back. And yeah, again, probably one of my last pickups of the year if I do not put that $500 tag on them Travis Scott mocha joints. This is crazy. I hope the resale drop a little bit. I'm gonna wait on it. I'm gonna sit on it. I'm gonna sleep on it. So I might be on my own, you know what I'm saying, Christmas gift to myself. We shall see. But again, let me know in the comment section if you did get a dub. This is one of those weird shop drops that we did not see coming from Nike. You guys know, you would have seen a bunch of videos talking about it. There would have been a lot of information going on Twitter, a bunch of information going on Instagram, but we literally did not know anything. Me, I'm gonna speak for myself. I didn't know anything. My Discord put in there like 30 minutes before the drop. I said, yo, hold on, bro, hold on. I didn't even know. Let me get to my camera. Let me let my folks know. But it would have been way too late. So I hope you guys had a good luck today in terms of grabbing the Legend Blues. If you did take an L, I know probably the main reason why is because you did not know about the drop. You didn't know about the drop, and that kind of sucks. But hey, it's a shock drop for a reason. Nike definitely switch it up, spice it up for this right here. And yeah, we got a lot more to talk about in future videos in terms of shock drops, because you guys know there are some crazy bangers coming out in January and February. They starting the year off strong, and I'm already knowing we're gonna see some shock drops and some early look coming in January and in the ending of December. So be ready, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. It's almost like a live cop. You guys see me going from the 10-minute stage before the drop to getting that confirmed $250 tag. It's crazy. But I appreciate y'all. Sub up, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like, share this with a friend, Go crazy in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about the Legend Blue 11s. You guys see me talking fast. I'm excited. I got my Legend Blues. I love them things. Gotta have them in the collection, and we finally got them things, man. So again, love y'all. Appreciate y'all. All being said, your boy The Vintage. I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.